To start a Venmo group, you will need to have the Venmo app installed on your device and an active account. Begin by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Groups option. If you do not see the Groups option, you may need to scroll down or tap on the More option to find it. After selecting Groups, tap on the Create a Group option. Enter a name for your group and add a description if desired. The name and description will help other users understand the purpose of the group. You can also add a photo to represent the group. Next, you will need to add members to the group. You can do this by searching for their name or username, or by selecting from your friends list. You can also invite people to join the group by sending them a link. After adding members, you will need to set a group type. There are two types of groups in Venmo: public and private. A public group can be joined by anyone, while a private group requires an invitation to join. Once you have set up your group, you can begin to use it to split bills, send money, and track expenses. You can also use the group chat feature to discuss payments and other topics with group members. It is a good idea to establish some ground rules for your group, such as how payments will be handled and how often members will be expected to contribute. This will help to prevent misunderstandings and ensure that the group runs smoothly. By following these steps, you can create a Venmo group and start using it to manage shared expenses with friends and colleagues. Remember to always use Venmo responsibly and to only send money to people you trust.